Christ is my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand.
Hey guys, good morning. Hey Dan, Sports Goats, His Promises, Sebastian, good morning. Hey guys, good morning. How can she slap? Nice to see you. You're in first. There we go. YOLO. Guys, good morning. Chapa, John Pierce, boom. Nice to see you. Hey, Formix, nice to see you. Finally in profit. How can she slap? There we go. There we go. Congratulations, right? We are up right now. Let's see what happens here, right? Let's see what happens here. Guys, my voice is a little crackly. We're just going to have to deal with it today. Rusty, Christian, Eric, BB's handler is here as always. Thank you so much. Thoughts on the tariff ruling? Yeah, I mean, listen, it's going to affect the markets, right? I think that the original news that came out was that he couldn't impose any, right? And so what happens with news is that the news comes out and then the markets digest it and understand what they really mean by it, right? Profit 200%. There we go. Congratulations. On a 15-minute down. There we go, Dan. Let's see what happens here, right? Guys, we're going to take a look at the charts. I'm only in here for about an hour today. My name is Chelsea. I am the Bullish Babe. And I do this crypto charts every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. YOLO, nice to see you. Rusty, Hank, thank you so much for the heart me's, guys. I appreciate you. We are nice to meet you again. Nice to meet you as well. I'm so glad you're in profit. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for coming in here and hanging out with us today. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do crypto charts every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, right? Nothing I ever say or do is financial advice. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. You will get wrecked. Eric, nice to see you. Thank you so much for the gift, guys. I appreciate the gifts. I do donate 90% of my gifts to someone in need, someone different every single month. The 10% I don't donate goes back to other creators that I support on this app. Thank you for giving me those gifts. They do get paid forward, guys. That is the best thing we can do, right? Is pay it forward on a regular basis. That's what I try to do in here. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. If you don't follow me and you like crypto and you would like to take a chance on being in here every day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, please do follow me directly from the live, guys. I also have an announcement today. Eric Watson is in the house. Nice to see you. Guys, I do have my community out now. It is in the link in my bio. It's the first link in my bio. It is on School. My community is going to be a little bit different. You're live on Saturday. I am live this Saturday, right? Mike, there it is. The assistant just put the link in the chat, guys. My community is going to be on School. It is going to be a little bit different than normal. This is not a Discord. This is not a Telegram. This is going to be something of value. And if you like my content here, that is going to be a place that you can grow and learn in for fun. The assistant, Eric Watson, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Good morning, Rude. Nice to see you. Nice treat this morning, Tom Bahama Mama. Nice to see you. DeFi Mike, good morning. Guys, he is a founder in an educational platform that I'm also a founder in. It is called Web3 Hub. It is a bunch of free information, guys, right? It is a free site where you can go on and you can watch modules and learn about crypto in general. Morning, what are we looking at today, BB? We're looking at the charts. Why not a Discord? A lot of scammers on Discord and Telegram, and the way that I'm going to run this is different, guys. What we're going to do is it is $99 a month. The link is in the link in my bio. I am going to do my Saturday streams. I'm going to be doing a Saturday stream in there every single Saturday. I'm going to be doing a Saturday stream in there every single Saturday. And after my sessions are going to be a little bit shorter on TikTok. After my sessions every single day, I will be in School for a question and answer session and to do some more alts. And so every day I'm going to be doing this like I normally do at 9:15. And then I'm going to be going into School and doing a question and answer every single day. I'm also going to provide some trade setups that I'm actually looking at during the week. I will not be in there talking, just chatting every single moment of every single day, guys. I just don't have I don't have the time to do it. And number two, I'm not sure that provides a lot of value. If you guys do have trade setups, when we are in the question and answer, you guys can go over, thank you so much. You guys are going to be able to show me your trade setups and we can go back and forth on those. It is about community, guys. We have built an unbelievable community here. Obviously, this is my full-time job. And if I'm spending time in there, which I will be spending quite a bit of time in there, that is why it is $99 a month. We do have a second tier. That second tier is providing live trading sessions. If you want to get into that, it is $199 a month. I'm going to be doing live trading in there. There will be extra trade setups. You will have me a little bit more to go back and forth with on your trades and respond to where those trades are and what you guys need. So that is the opportunity in there will be fire. Thank you so much, Eric. I appreciate it. Eric is a mod in there, guys. We also have the assistant. I am going to have another mod in there. And again, I will be in there after every single TikTok session. I will do a Saturday live every single Saturday. So that live will be in school now. I'm doing this today, but I will be doing it in the school from now on. And guys, if you want to sign up, it is the first link in my bio. Again, it's $99 a month for the lower tier, $199 for the higher tier. The higher tier is more of like a trading mentorship, right? Where I will be live trading. I will be able to answer your questions. We'll walk through trades together. That will be it. Count me in. Rude boy, of course, right? Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I was just talking about my community in school. It is not on Discord or on Telegram. Guys, there's too much junk out there, right? This is about learning and growing, not just about, and community, but not just about like chatting all the time. There is no value in chatting back and forth all the time, right? What there is value in is mini sessions, which are going to be available for their unrecorded mini sessions, and then also a starter pack. So when you get in there, there'll be a starter for crypto and trading, a digital pack that you can go through at your leisure, and then the mini sessions. Is that around a bottom formation? Guys, let's go. I might have to hit you up on the trading. Guys, thank you so much. Again, full-time, this is my full-time gig now, right? If you guys want to join, the link is in my bio. Thank you so much for being part of my community. Guys, let's get started. Steve, Eric Watson, thank you so much for the gifts. Hello, Kitty. Nice to see you. B-Dogs, nice to see you. For Fun, nice to see you. We're going to check out the maybe rounded bottom, right? We'll see what happens there. We have come a long way. Irish Boxer is in the house. I haven't seen you in so long. Guys, he is a day one. Thank you so much for being my supporter for so long. I appreciate you. Guys, thank you. Thank you for being part of this community. We have built something unbelievable here. I never take it for granted. I'm humbled by all of you guys being here every single day, and I appreciate you, right? 145 people in here, 5,200 likes already. Guys, thank you so much. Rude Boy, thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the Go Popular. Guys, let's get started, right? Just a couple of things before we start. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this you have been so much help. I appreciate you. Irish Boxer, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Giraffe Cat, thank you so much. Steve, thank you so much. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. Every single weekday, I go live to take a look at the crypto charts. I'm not live trading on here. Why? There's too many people that are brand new and they can get wrecked. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Guys, hello, Kitty. Steve, thank you so much for the gifts. Guys, please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. Right? This is just what I'm seeing in the charts. Best live charting on TikTok. Thank you so much, Upwardly. I appreciate you. Guys, my voice is a little bit raspy today, so I'm going to try not to scream, but you guys know I scream when we get excited. So are we back? I don't know. Right? We're going to take a look. Guys, I'm not overly bearish or overly bullish. I give you the bullish and the bearish case. We have to decide on the majority of the time frames where we are going, right? That is how we do things in here. We go level to level, resistance level to resistance level, support level to support level. That's all we do in here. Thank you guys so much for being in here. Guys, I am sponsored by BitUnex. If you're looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, we're not going to make this like it sounds like I have a lot of things to be salesy in here, right? We're going to run through these a couple of times during the stream. Just bear with me, right? I'm a horrible salesperson and I forget to do it half of the time. Guys, BitUnex, non-KYC exchange. If you guys want to trade on BitUnex, you do get a 20% bonus for using my referral code. Bullish Babe. If you guys sign up in the next, I think it's 5 days, the campaign runs. Wall Street, Astrology, Hank, Giraffe Cat, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Hello, Tizu, is that stoked BTC gonna flip, miss? We'll see, right? Guys, if you want a non-KYC exchange, here it is. BitUnex, I've been trading on them for 2 years. They are my primary exchange. All right, guys, let's get to the charts. I'm gonna switch to music. We're gonna go a little Sean Paul today, little Sean Paul mix today. That's what I'm feeling. Happy Saturday, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Let me open my mini player and we're gonna get started. This is going to be a shorter stream today, guys, because number one, it's Saturday. You can also share the live on your story. Guys, the best thing you can do for this stream in the algorithm is actually to press that repost button. Share the live out either to your story or as many people as you can possibly send it to. That really, really helps the algorithm, even if they don't like crypto, right? Janie, good morning. Irish Boxer, put in the work and you can't go wrong with BB. Irish Boxer, thank you so much. Guys, there are people in here who have supported me, not just from day one of me charting, but day one of me doing Cosmically Bullish. Irish Boxer is one of them. Thank you so much. Guys, if you don't follow me and you would like to, I have a lot of copycats, about 300. If you try to find me after the live, you will not be able to. So please click my photo, follow me directly from the live, and let's get started. ARC, good morning. I think we're starting to create an upward trend. I hope it continues. I hope it continues too. Guys, I would like nothing more than this trend, upward trend, to continue, but we have to look at the reality of the situation. And the reality of the situation is that, number one, we haven't gotten up and over any major resistance. Right? We are creating higher lows, but not higher highs. And we need the higher high to actually be in an upward trend. We have not created it yet. Once we get that higher high, if we break over resistance levels, guys, then I will change my tune. Then I will think that, hey, this is something we have to look out for, right? We are on, guys, thank you so much for being in here. I have fire mods, right? Rude Boy, Assistant, Money Talk, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Cosmic Crypto, and Josh's Journey. Thank you for being my mods in here. Thank you for making this stream run as well as you do. Guys, you are amazing. So you swing trade. No, I'm a leverage trader. I'm a day trader. Pass. Thank you so much for being in here. I don't swing trade. There's a lot of people in here who do swing trade, right? I'm ready for BTC to drop under 50. DeFi Mike, yeah, I'm all about that too. Guys, please follow Web3 Hub. It is a free educational platform where you can go to learn about crypto and trading or anything, or blockchain. Anything that you need, guys, is there and it's free. So go and join Web3 Help. Web3hub.help. Okay. Rick, nice to see you guys. Thank you so much for sharing the live. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you for being here on a Saturday morning. I am Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning, every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I bought it 66K. Do you think I should hold it? I can't tell you that, ZX. I'm sorry. You have to decide that for yourself. Okay. T. Clement, good morning. Web3 Hub is awesome. It is. It is. It's one of the first educational platforms that is free and available to everyone, right? So please go and follow them. I can't tell you what to do with your Bitcoin. I had this question in my DMs today, right? Guys, I am not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do with the crypto that you have bought and are holding right now. What I can tell you is this. What I am doing is holding, right? And fundamentals first, 100% Irish Boxer. I started my BitUnex account, but wasn't able to use your referral code. Hey, Bullish on Chris. If you can send me your UID, I can have them put you into the campaign. So can you send that? Actually, can you send it to the assistant? The assistant is in the chat right here. Can you send it to the assistant and she will send it on to George and we'll put you into the campaign. Thank you guys so much for using my links. Guys, I do have my community open. It is on School. I am going to be tomorrow or Monday. I will put it up on the screen so that you can see what I provide. I will be in there every single day after the stream. We're going to shorten up these streams. I'm going to be in there for a question and answer and some more alts. Okay? No financial advice at all. Yeah, Janie. No financial advice. School GIMP. I don't know what that means. Got you. So what are we thinking about BTC? I don't know if it goes lower. Guys, here we go. What the F is doing Ethereum? Miami, we'll take a look at Ethereum today. Guys, happy Saturday. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. You are super. Thank you so much, Janie. I appreciate you guys. 177 people in the chat today. I know it's Saturday. Need analysis on ETH. Yeah, we can do ETH. We'll do Bitcoin, then ETH, then XRP today. Okay? I think that's probably all I'll get through. And guys, to be honest, it's really kind of all you need right now. Bitcoin is still leading the pack, and until, hey, Stross, nice to see you. I'm so glad to see you. Guys, give Stross a follow. Here we go. We'll do XRP, ETH, and BTC. Okay. Here we go. Nice to see you, Stros. I'm so glad you popped in. Joe, Steve, Giraffe Cat. Hey, guys. Rayanne, Spacey is in the house, guys. Nice to see you. Rayanne, let's go. $199 is way more than you helped me make on the trading packages. An easy deal. Rayanne, thank you so much. Guys, what I will say is this. If you do join school, you can just join for a month and see if it works for you, right? What I am trying to do is create a different platform than a lot of people have on this app. Right? Discord and Telegram, when they are opening a Discord or a Telegram, there's a lot of chatter in there. What I am making, thank you so much, Bullish. I appreciate that. What I am trying to do is create more of a learning atmosphere. Okay, not that those aren't learning, but they get overcrowded with signals and people dropping charts. That isn't what this is going to be. This is going to be me. Oh, thank you so much, Stros. I appreciate you. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, I will say, if you are in that group and you are trading, more than likely you will make the $99 back within a month, okay? And I can be pretty certain of that. I know a lot of people that have been in here that are just listening, who just trade once in a while, and they have made more than that in a month. So if you could consider it, guys, we would love to have you in there. Everything will not start until Monday. So if you are in there and you sign up for the next 2 days, there won't be much in there. On Monday, I will start being in there right after the stream every single day. Okay. And the digital startups will be in there, and the mini sessions, some mini sessions. I will be doing those once a week, guys, once or twice a week, where you will get a mini session describing one of the things that we have talked about in a session. Okay. Thank you so much for being in here. Thank you so much for even considering it. Sar, thank you for being in here. We appreciate you. Here we go with Bitcoin, guys. Okay. We're going to start off on the 8 hour. Okay. As you can see, Bitcoin is climbing, right? And we said this yesterday. This is not news to us, guys. Where did we say that we would most likely go? BB is the best in the business. Thank you so much, Steve. I appreciate you. Marcus Stross, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you so much, right? Here we go on the 8 hour, right? Where did we say we were going to go yesterday, right? This is not news to us. BB will teach you risk management. So important, guys. Risk management, protecting your capital, one of the biggest things that you should learn in trading, right? We are here to protect our capital. We're not here to throw it around. We're not here to leverage trade on 100x. That's not what we're going to be doing in the community, period, right? You want to learn leverage, we learn charts and simple trading first, okay? Here we go. Guys, we knew yesterday there was this bull flag. Guys, we are just breaking out of this bull flag right now. Okay, we're gonna go down to the 4 hour, and the reason why is so that we can actually see the bull flag. There it is, right? There it is. It's right here, guys. Here is the pole. Here's the flag, right? We are now breaking out of this flag to the upside. And guys, where the F are down with all those fake. Oh, who is this? Here we go. Hold on one second. Here we go. GM, we love haters in here. I love that you came in here and said that, and I would really appreciate it if you stayed. Every time I turn on TikTok, you're here live like you're on an eternal trading loop. Dad, I know, right? I am here a lot. Awesome TA she provides, guys. Thank you so much, One4Freedom. How can I protect my assets? Guys, you protect your trades by using a stop loss and a take profit, and actually taking profit and actually walking away from that until you see the next trade. Right? Saturdays are for the haters. You got it, assistant, right? You got it. Here we go, guys. We saw this yesterday. This is not news. Anthony, thank you for what you do, and thank you for being in here. This great every day. Thank you so much. Hello Kitty. Guys, if you want to give me a follow, please do give me a follow directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I am Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And guys, yes, my charts are messy, but my thoughts are organized. And if you stay in here for long enough, you will see that I will explain anything you need. Thank you for being positive. Much appreciated. Quotes with April. You're welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Right? Here we go, guys. All right? Here's the poll. Here's the flag. We saw this yesterday. We are over the simple moving average and the smooth moving average on the 4 hours. Stefan is in the house. Nice to see you. I think you left before everything flipped yesterday. Guys, here's what we said yesterday. We are in this bull flag. The bull flag target is right here at 69,737. Okay? If we get up and over this level right here, guys, we have a major level of resistance here. Look at this. Resistance, resistance. This will be the third touch. Every time you touch on a resistance or a support line, you weaken us. GM. I love when people ask me to show my P&L. I'm guessing that you already know that I don't show my P&L, which is why you're asking that, right? But thank you. I appreciate you, GM. All right, here we go, right? We get up and above this level right here at 69,324, right? Very, very likely that this bull flag breakout and the target at 69,719 will be the next target, right? Will be the next target. And if we get up and over this level, guys, this is where we said we would get up to yesterday. It's just taken a little bit more time, right? Here we go. If we get up and over this level, here's your next level of resistance, guys. Learn to trade. Marcus Stross, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Lots of hearts and a follow quotes. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm so glad you're in here, right? Here we go. Up here, 69,324. Right? This is your next level to the upside. Here is your next level to the upside. It is 69,719. Guys, we had this mapped out yesterday. Why are we assuming that we are going to move up? Why? Because yesterday on the lower time frames, they started to turn, and they started to turn the higher time frames, right? I need someone to guide me on how to protect my XRP. We can't do that. Are you in a trade currently? I am not in a trade currently. I am not in a trade currently. Guys, I hate to trade on the weekends. Why? Low liquidity, a lot of volatility. And guys, we just had a huge volatility day yesterday, right? So the market is shaking off that volatility. I need to see a clear break of major support or major resistance before I go in. Again, that is how I trade, guys. I am not a day trader that's clicking in and out. I'm not a scalper, right? I like longer trades on longer time frames, and I get in on the 1 hour, okay? So here we go. The yen is more important. Yeah, for fun. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, here's your levels, right? What is happening now? On the 4 hour, we are getting hot, but look at this RSI curving up, guys. Look at this RSI curving up. This RSI has pushed us up even when the Stokes are pointed down. And so this is telling me that this bull flag probably going to break up to the target if it can get through this level right here, right? 69,306. All right. 69,306. If we break that, we get to 69,719. What's the most you did in one trade? Oh, everybody likes to ask these questions, right? I just had my biggest. I'm not going to tell you how much, but I just had my biggest trade in here the other day, like 2 weeks ago, right? Not on live, but I just did the biggest trade of my career about 2 weeks ago. So here we go. The reason why I don't share those numbers is because I don't want. Okay, he left. There we go. You guys know I don't really need to say it that much. I don't show my P&L because I'm not live trading here, and it doesn't matter. Anyway, what matters is that you guys are learning, right? It was a short, Sean Brick. Hey, Sean Brick, nice to see you. It was a short, of course. I like shorting way more than I like longing. Why? Because shorts, they say you take the elevator down, the stairs up. Shorts go fast and swift to the target, right? Longs, you have to wait a little bit. We know, BB. Yeah, I know. I don't need to keep on repeating it, but maybe for the new people, I need to. Thank you, Steve. I appreciate it. Shorting is fast. Yes, it is. Shorts are better. Yeah, I respect that very much. Happy to hear that. Love success. Pest, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being in here. Right? Here we go. 69,713. Right? Here's your next level. Guys, where is the next level? And I will say this. I see a bullish case. I'm going to give you both cases. Right? I'm going to give you both cases. Never tell what or how much crypto you have. Yeah, guys, it's a liability and it's a safety issue, to be honest, right? Matt Mindset, hey, bullish. Nice to see you, Matt. Nice to see you. Here we go. Here's a bullish case, guys, and I can see one, right? I can see one. And like I shared in that video today, I see some bottoming signals. However, the signals that we are coming back down, I have $2, said Sean Brick. Yeah, that's the way to go. 251 people in the chat, guys, 25K likes. Thank you so much for being my community. Look at what we built here, right? Learn to Trades, Marcus, Matt, thank you so much for the gifts. We have built an unbelievable community. We are kind, we are nice, we are educated, and we are respectful, right? And we are welcoming. So if you're brand new in the chat today, say hello to us. We know we have a lot of new people on Saturdays, a lot of haters sometimes, but we love the haters anyway, right? Guys, if you haven't followed me and you would like to, hey C, nice to see you. Guys, if you haven't followed me, please do follow me directly from the chat. Otherwise, you will get copycats. and they will try to scam you. Crypto Lovin', nice to see you. Rise and Shine, nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. Money's, nice to see you. Appreciate you guys. Here's the bullish case, guys. All right, we're going to go to the bullish case. I'm going to go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, let's see what we're doing on the Stokes. And on Stokes, 1 hour is trying to roll over. Okay, guys, this is what I will say. When Farrell and I were in here on Friday, right? And we were looking at the charts. What did we say? This was most likely a pop up, an elongated pop up to then pop us down, right? What I will say is this. It is looking like that from some of the Stokes and from some of the RSI. Right? We pray for them, haters. Yes, we do. Right? Rachel, nice to see you. Tradeaholics, yo, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're in here. Right? This is what I'm looking at, guys. All right? This bull flag on the 4 hour is if we break up above here, 69,316, and we get up above here, 69,689. We are breaking a wonky W pattern. Actually, guys, it's a wonky W. It's on a higher time frame. Here is one hump of the W. Here is the second hump of the W. Now, there's two things that could happen here. One is that we could actually break out of the W if we break out of this bull flag, right? We break out of this bull flag, we break out of this W pattern as well. This W pattern has a bigger target. What is that target? Guys, you measure from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest peak of the W. I know that this is a wonky W and it doesn't look perfect. But guess what, guys? Non-perfect patterns break out just like perfectly placed patterns 85 to 90% of the time. I have back tested this over and over and over again, and you guys have seen it in here, right? You guys have seen it in here. So if we break out of this bull flag, we are now breaking this trend line of this wonky W pattern. You measure from the top trend line to the bottom of the lowest peak of the W, and you drag this to the supposed breakout. Here is where we will get to, guys. Let me show you on the 4 hour. Even though the 1 hour Stokes are rolling over, the RSI on the 4 hour is still pumping up. VIX at 1909 in a bear flag, I think. I'm not Farrell. You aren't? We go over levels in here. Pay attention to the levels. You got it, guys. Right? 69,044. Most important. Yeah. Tradeaholics. Right? Here we go. 69,044. I actually think this right here. Are you looking here? You know what? I'm wondering if you're looking here. Yeah. Interesting. All right. So 68,517, I was just adjusting my lines because maybe it's not slanted, but it does look like we have hit resistance here. I will say, Tradeaholics, I'm looking at, sorry, let me just get that. Here we go. I'm looking at this level right here at 69,311, right? Is it a bull run or is it bearish? I don't know. Tradeaholics, I'm looking at 69,311. So very close. I said wonky at work the other day. I blame you, Stross. There we go. Right? At least I'm rubbing off on somebody. It's going down to 45K. Donatus. I can see that. However, we have to look at both scenarios. Here is the bullish scenario, guys. That look at what's crazy is that this wonky W, if this does break out over that level at 69,311, right? And Tradeaholics is very close, 69,044. Guys, if it breaks that level, we're breaking out of a W pattern that could bring us up to this target at 71,196. What is that close to? Guys, it is extremely close. Oh, Joey Mack, nice to see you. It's Saturday. There we go. Where do you execute your trades? On the 1 hour, Omar, right? Bullish in a bearish trend. You got it. Bullish in a bearish trend. B-Dogs, 100%. People ask me, they say, hey, you were just bullish a minute ago, or you were just bearish a minute ago. Guys, at the end of the day, the charts do what they want. They flip and they twist, and we have to pivot. We have to pivot. We don't pivot, we can't be good traders or good chartists, right? Flo, nice to see you. Guys, the charts do what they want. I have no control over that, and I'm not going to put my bias onto the charts. The charts tell me what they want, not the other way around, right? So what are we today? We are bullish in a bearish trend, exactly like B-Dog said, right? Here we go. We get up here, guys, at 71,196. Very, very likely. Marty, nice to see you. A trend is a trend until it's not. You got it. Might see a massive candle at 68,680. Exactly, Tradeaholics. I'm looking for this to push. Why? Because we are either going to bearishly retest this bear flag that is on the daily, guys, that we have talked about for a really long time. I'm going to show it right here. Here is the pull. Right here. Here's the pull. This right here is the flag. We dropped out of it. We are either going to bearishly retest this trend line on the bottom. EcoFusion, nice to see you. Guys, thank you to my mods, Rude Boy, Money Talk, Assistant, Sarah Shauna, Jay Heat, Cosmic Crypto, Josh's Journey. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. They are what run this live, right? Thank you so much. Bullish Babe talking about a bearish trend. You got it, Tizu, right? We go up there and then it creates a larger W pattern. It could, for fun. It could actually create a inverse head and shoulders. And I'm going to show that in just a minute. Okay, guys, realize that we have done this. I'm just going to show this for 1 second so that everyone knows why I am more bearish on what's happening right now. I am bearish until proven bullish. Looks like the charts are shifting from down lines to slightly up lines. Yes, we are creating higher lows, and that is important, but not as important as if we're creating higher lows and higher highs. And we haven't done that yet. Guys, thank you for tapping your screen. Thank you for sharing this out. Rude Boy, thank you so much. Marty, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Guys, a couple of things. I did open my community today. The link is in the link in my bio, guys. It is on School. You do get a lot of value in there. I will be in there every day after these lives, every single weekday. And there's an extra Saturday stream, plus a digital starter pack, plus mini teaching sessions. I will be in there, like I said, every single day after this. There's also a trading aspect to this. There is a $99 option and a $199 option. The $199 option is actually a lot more live trading and working with me as far as trading goes. Okay? Boring. Oh, Lewis, sorry, it's boring. She will be bullish in the spring. You maybe. Right? Duckworth, day trading is simple. I never knew it until I started earning from it. Duckworth, I don't know if, guys, I don't think it's simple, right? Day trading is not simple, right? And if we put that out there, it may confuse some people. It's never really simple. It's a lot of work, but you guys, you can do it, right? If I can do it, then you can do it. And you don't even have to leverage trade. You could just swing trade a little bit, right? Or you can not trade at all, and that's fine too. It's exciting to win. Yes, it is, Matt. Right? Here we go. We get up here, guys, at that 794. Very, very likely we are going to hit the bottom of this bear flag. Guys, just so you know where this bear flag is headed, if we do start to break down again, and we do bearishly retest this, drink, thank you so much. Guys, I absolutely adore you. Thank you for taking care of me. Travis, nice to see you. Day trading has worked better for me, Bullish Babe. Duckworth, I love that. We just can't say that it's easy, right? Because it's not easy. It becomes easier, right? But it's not easy. And I think, guys, people ask me why I don't live trade on here or show my P&L. That's exactly why. Because people make it look easy, and it's not easy. Perindu, thank you. Crypto Critters, thank you for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Both a bear and a bull flag. Guys, here we go. We have broken down these bull flags over and over and over again. Here we go. Bear flags, broke down. Bear flag, this is the pole, this is the flag. Broke it down. This is the pull. This is the flag. Guys, we're doing this over and over again. Here is the breakout. If we do come up and bearishly retest this line right here, which is one of the options, it's not the only option. 41,407 is the target. Okay. Have a great day. We got to head out. Steve, have a great Saturday. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for a Saturday live. It has been hard for me to catch you during the week. No problem, lady. Nice to see you. Right? Here we go. Let's go to the bigger picture here. Let's go over the levels. Okay. Levels here, right? We get up to this level right here. Guys, this is the level, the most important level that I am looking at right now. It is 72,060, right? Why is it that level? Because this is the level that we either break back into the flag and get above it and invalidate it, or we bearishly retest this level and we turn around and we come down, right? Day trading is easy for me because of the broker I use. Do you think it depends on that? I don't, Duckworth, right? The broker I use is BitUnex, or the exchange I use is BitUnex. Are you using, I'm not sure what you mean by broker. You might mean like a prop trading firm. What are you looking at for your stochastic? Yeah, guys, the stochastics right here. This is the Stoke RSMFI. That's the one that I use. What we're looking at here on the Stokes, guys, and I will say this, right? We have seen this happen over and over again where the Stokes are high and they look like they're rolling over. What is he talking about? I don't know, Tradeaholics. I'm trying to figure that out too. Do you think it's going all the way up to 72? Ryan, I don't know if it's going all the way up to 72. What we do in here is this. We work on levels. We have levels. Here are my levels, guys. First level we need to get through to get to 72 is 69,178. We get to 69,178. We may get to this target of the bull flag right here, guys. If we get to this target at 69,807, very, very good chance we are going to try and make a run at this target right here at 71,425. Right? We make a run at this level at 71,425. This is that wonky W that's right here. This would break us close enough to this level that I would think that we are going to run at this level at 72. Okay? Yes, the broker I mean is a platform. It offers copy trading. Maybe you can teach more on that. I don't actually like copy trading. Right? I believe we are. Somebody asked me if we are in a bear market again. We have been in a bear market for a long time, as far as I'm concerned. Right? We've been in a bear market at least since July, if not last year. Right? Yeah, I don't like copy trading. Why don't I like copy trading? Because, guys, if you are not going to manage your trades yourself, you have no business trading, in my opinion. Right? You only use copy trading when you know what you're doing and you can get out of that trade. Right? How do you spot reversals? Yeah, there's a lot of reversal patterns. It depends on, I usually actually spot more reversals on the lower time frames. Right? Derek, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're in here. I couldn't be more bullish. I know you couldn't be. Right? This candle needs to close above 68,423 in 23 minutes. Tradeaholic says it's coming. Big move up, Derek. I'm so glad you're here. Makes my Saturdays. Right? Here we go, guys. Next level, and our biggest level, 72,060. 72,060. The Derek has arrived, says Joey Mack. There we go. Right? It will. Chainlink is going to 940. Guys, Pee-wee, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Thank you so much for being in here. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single weekday at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. The weekend blast up party, let's hope. Right? 74,000 incoming. He knows about the quiff, says Joey. He must. Derek knows everything. The Derek knows everything. Guys, I do this every single weekday at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am here to show you what I see in the charts. I'm doing this because when I started trading and when I started charting, there were not a lot of people that I could reference and there wasn't a community I could be part of. And this is what that is. We have built this community. Everyone in here is nice, kind, welcoming, respectful. If you are brand new, we would love to have you in our community. Just click that, my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Click that bell for notifications. That will tell you every single time I'm live. Guys, I am live again every single weekday at 9:15. Right? I am here to build a community that wants to learn and grow together. I am here for free every single weekday. I also do have a paid community. If you guys want to get into that, it is on School. It is not on Discord or Telegram or Patreon. It is not just a Signals group. I will be in there teaching, right? And doing extra lives for the people who actually join. That is in the link in my bio. It is the first link in the link in my bio. It is $99 a month. Guys, I know that seems like a lot, but I will say, from a lot of the people in here, if you have been in here for a long time, I will say if you learn trading, you will most likely make that back in the first month, right? You think Bitcoin crash warns of a market drop? It could, Cinema. Working overtime this week. Yeah, Mike, always working overtime. Nita, Hank, SHM, thank you so much for the heart me's, guys. Thank you so much for the follows. I do have a lot of copycats. If you don't follow me here from the live, you will get them. They will try to scam you in your DMs. So it's more of a safety thing to follow me directly from the live. I appreciate what she's trying to do. This just isn't the way to do it. I don't know what that means, Wall Street Wilson, but I appreciate you. Crash make room for explosive upside potential, possibly, right? Here we go, guys. We get up here and we break 72. Where are we going, right? We break 72. Where are we going? Right? New school, hot tub cocktails, and the charts. I don't think we're not going to be doing hot tub cocktails. Guys, it is a strictly learning platform, right? That's why I did it on School and not on any other platform. I do not want this to turn it into a Signals group. I will give you trade setups in there, but I will be explaining them. And they are trade setups that I'm going to be actually looking at to get into. Okay? To the moon, said Derek. Guys, we get back in here at 72,060, right? Where are we headed to? We're headed to the top of the pattern. Price action breaks out of a pattern and then breaks back into it. I treat it as if it never left the pattern in the first place. Okay? This candle wicks high and closes below 68,423. Big trouble. Guys, we could reject here. We could reject here. We could reject here. There is a bearish case for every scenario. This is the bullish case. The bullish case is that we get above 72,060. Where can I day trade Bitcoin? You can trade it on BitUnex. They are a sponsor of mine. It is the banner at the top of my stream. That is my campaign. If you do deposit there, you get a 20% bonus back for deposit. Do not leverage trade unless you know what you are doing, please. Okay? To the end of the universe is how we go. There ain't no ceiling on this market. Oh, Derek, I absolutely adore you. The rocket is on the platform. Guys, we get up and above here. Yeah, guys, if you want to join BitUnex, it's a non-KYC exchange too. I have traded there. They are my primary platform. I've been on there for two years trading. Never had a problem, and we also have our own rep. So if anything ever goes wrong, we've already had a couple of things with not getting a deposit bonus, and they are fixing it. So just so you know, we appreciate your content. Have a great day. Crypto Probably, thank you so much for being in here. Guys, here we go. We get up and above 72,060. Tradeaholics, thank you so much for keeping tabs on that. We are most likely coming to the top of this pattern. Why? Because when we break back into a previously respected pattern, price will respect the pattern as if it never left. I have back tested this over and over and over again. And what I mean by this, hey, Sonoran, thank you so much for being in here. Nice to see you. Women don't trade well. Watch me, right? Blue, I appreciate you, but watch me, right? And come in here and hang in here and learn. Because guess what? Women traders do really well, right? Bullish yet? Not bullish yet. No. But am I bullish on a short-term move? Yeah, I could be. Depends on if we get up and over this resistance and then this one. Guys, it is an if this, then that statement. All the time with trading and charting. We do not make moves or take trades until we get over levels, right? Until we get over levels. If she's bullish, she will do well, said Derek. Guys, up to the top of the pattern, right? That's where this is headed if we get back in here. We have to make it to the 50%, and then we're going to head to the top of the pattern. And this is where, guys, I will say this. We get back into the pattern, and we come up here, you better be watching for bullish and bearish indicators. Why? Because this is still a bear flag. Still a rising channel, still a bear flag, guys. Even if we break back into it, that is not fully bullish. What is fully bullish is if we break this level at 78,387. That is bullish. 68,680 just got weak, Tradeaholic says, right? 3 years incoming says for fun, right? Saturday pump, Sunday dump, possibly Joey Mack, right? Guys, that is why we look at levels. Even if we get up here at 78,387 and we turn around and we come down, very, very likely that this is still a bear flag that is just faking us up to the top of the pattern and then going to dump us down. And guess what, guys? They have done that multiple times. Now, what would be bullish is this. This is it. Needs to blast Tradeaholics. Let's see if it has the power. You have to understand, she knows us bulls in bears to teach us, not to show us. Thank you so much, Rude. I appreciate you. Guys, thank you so much for the follows. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over levels in here. We're talking crypto charts. If you guys don't know anything about crypto and you are in here for the first time, our chat is extremely nice and kind. Say hello to us. We would love to say hello to you. No question is too stupid or too small for this community. We will answer whatever we can. Okay, this is not how the market moves. V17, I appreciate you, right? This is it right here, Tradeaholics. Let's see if we can push, right? What would be bullish, ultimately bullish is this, guys, right? That we get up and over this level at 735. Crypto Angel, thank you so much. Nerdy Man, thank you. SHM, thank you for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for being part of my community. Thank you to my mods, Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Sarah Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, and Josh's Journey. I appreciate you. What indicators are those? Adrian, I use the Stoke, if one of my mods could possibly pin it, if you are still in the chat, I use the Stochastics RSMFI. I also use the RSI X3. This is probably one of the best tools that I've added to my trading toolbox in the last 3 years. My friend Phil actually customized this. So we use the RSI _X3. It has I have my indicator set at the 6, the 12, and the 24. Okay, Sean Brick, thank you so much. That old guy, thank you so much. SRC, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. All right, here's the bullish case is that we get up and over this line right here at 78,948. We get up and above. Thank you so much, assistant. I appreciate you. Hey guys, been here about 15 minutes and love it. Learning so much already. Plan on being a regular. Zoe, thank you so much. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here and that you stayed in and hung out with us. I'm so glad to have you part of the community. Thank you so much for being here. You on the 1 month. No, I'm on the 4 hour, right? I'm on the 4 hour. Zoe, nice to meet you. Here we go. We got up and above 78,948. Where are we going next, guys? This would be more bullish to me. If we get up and above this level, this would be more bullish. Why? Because then we would invalidate that bear flag. We get up to the next level, which is right here, which you guys know is an important level at 86,650. Uh-oh, zone, said Tradeaholics. Uh-oh, right? My TPs are getting obliterated. Derek, are you taking profit? Right? LOL. BTC on the 4 hour. You got it. Guys, this is an important level of resistance at 86,650. We have talked about this for a very long time, right? Let me take a drink. We have talked about this for a very long time. 86,650, we get above here, guys. We have invalidated that bear flag, and now I think that we have a run at 100K if we can get decisively above 86,650, okay? You guys realize we have a lot of resistance above our head. We will blast through that. Derek, how do you trade Bitcoin? How different is it from stock trading daily? It's more volatile, Joseph, right? It's more volatile. I actually don't trade Bitcoin. I trade things that are more volatile than that. I am a beginner and benefiting now. Thank you so much for being in here, right? Guys, I trade altcoins. Joseph, was it Joseph that asked that? I think it was, yeah. Joseph, I trade altcoins. Why do I trade altcoins? They have a better ROI. But I will say, if you are just starting out and especially if you are trying to leverage trade, Bitcoin is something to practice on. Why? Because the moves are smaller and less volatile, usually, right? And so if it's much faster, you got it for fun, right? What will, I don't know, big time. Yeah, guys, it's more volatile. However, you can make a lot of profit in little moves. Right? And so it's a little unlike the stock market like that. However, it is very much like, hey, Hundreds Club. Guys, I'm wearing Hundreds Club today. Hundreds Club, thank you so much. Guys, this, I'm repping his merch because it is beautiful and comfortable. Guys, if you are looking for a super cool athletic wear brand, Hundreds Club right there, give him a follow and look at his merchandise in the link in his bio. It's also in my link too. I absolutely love this stuff. Thank you so much, Hundreds, for being in here every day. Right? Trap, I believe, but we will see. Appreciate all of the information you give us. Thank you so much, Kyle. Guys, I believe I am leaning more towards Trap too. Right? And Farrell was in here on Friday. She was saying the same thing. This looks like a pop-up to pop us down. Most likely, I would think if we're going to get rejected, it's going to be either at this level right here at 69,215, or it's going to be at this level, this bottom trend line of that daily bear flag at 71.89. But if we get up and over this 86, we get up and over this 72, then we get up and over this, I'll switch my mind. Guys, I can switch at a moment's notice, right? We have to switch it up. Stand up and take a spin. Oh, I'll have to show you. This is a cropped, right? Cropped sweatshirt. And I love it, right? Thank you, Hundreds. I appreciate you. Bipolar. It's bipolar all the time. Crypto Critters, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, right? Here we go. All right, let's go to the downside, and then we'll go to XRP, and we'll go to ETH, right? And then that's all I'm going to do for today because I do have a class. Can you explain RSI X3 and how it works? My X3 is a bit different. Have same input. Mooney, yeah. Moody, yes, right? Here we go, right? RSI X3. This is how I use it. The orange line right here is the 6. The green line is the 12. And the blue line is the 24. When the 6 looks like it is pushing down through the 12 and the 24 or up through the 12 and the 24, and we have stochastics pointed the exact same way, and we have a bullish or bearish pattern depending on which way it's going, right? When I have all three confirmations, I use that RSI X3 to confirm where and when that move is happening. When the 6 pushes through the 12 and the 24 to the downside, and the Stokes are pointed down, and we're in a bearish pattern, when that 6 looking like it's pushing through the 12 and the 24, that is where I find that we get the big move. Same thing to the upside, okay? So you have to use it in conjunction with the patterns and the stochastics to see when that move is coming, okay? I will be in the hot tub with a cocktail. Continue charting, said for fun. I love that. I wish I was. I'm so jealous, right? So jealous. Here we go. To the downside, guys. If we reject off of these levels, and I will say the 4 hour is getting hot, but guys, we have room on the RSI. Tradeaholics, what did that do, right? We're not completely pumping up, but we're not dropping that level either, right? Sean Brick, as you would say, her and Shib Inu are in a relationship. You got it, guys. I call myself a monogamous trader, right? What is a monogamous trader? It's someone who trades the same assets over and over and over again. Why? Because I get to know them, just like a relationship, right? When you trade an asset over and over and over again, what that does is give you reference into how that asset moves. And if you can figure that out, and if you can figure out a couple of assets where you see how they move in accordance and in conjunction with Bitcoin, right? It's trying hard, got a 7-minute, let's see, right? When you do that, guys, you will be a more profitable trader, right? If you know how that asset moves. That's just what I found. Here we go. We're going to go down to the 1 hour. We're going to give you the downside targets, and then we're going to go to XRP. And we're going to do ETH and XRP quickly, right? I'm monogamous in crypto and polygamous in relationships. Derek, you kill me. I love it when you're here. Seems and impasse me neither side dominating. Marcus, that's what I'm saying, right? Ciao, Alicio, nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. I'm Chelsea, I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you for being in here. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a chick who loves crypto, who learns how to chart, and I am here to show you what I see in the market. There are a lot of other chartists and traders in here, guys. If you haven't followed me and you would like to, please follow me right now directly from the live. It's not a follower account thing. I have so many copycats and they are all scammers. So if you don't follow me right now, when you look for me later, you will not be able to find me, okay? Thanks for the morning, BB. Pump me up before my listing presentation. Tom Bahama, good luck. Good luck today. I hope it goes so well. If you're interested, first check my profit performance, uploaded my story, then you message me. Can someone block Mr. Gill Trader? That would be awesome, right? Guys, thank you so much to my mods. They're like amazing, right? Here we go. Here's the downside, guys. If we get rejected here, right, at 69.313, he left. There we go. Bros, follow her when she lives. Harder to find her through the fakes. Yeah, Doc, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, please do give me a follow if you don't follow me and you would like to. Okay. You went live and I missed it. It does look like XRP is going up or down. We're going to do that next. All right. If we get rejected here, guys, here are the two levels we could get rejected by. Okay. If we get, and I will say, guys, there is a W pattern here too. If we do get up and over this level on Bitcoin 70,978, this could be this could be the key to getting into here. Why? I'm just going to do this really quickly. I know I just got off of Bitcoin, but here we go. Right? Here we go. Here's one bottom. Here's the second bottom. We get up and over that level at 70,978. We could get up and in back into this pattern. Okay? We grab this. We take this to the supposed breakout. Guys, this would get us to here at 75,992. Okay? We need to get back up and over this level right here to actually break that W pattern at 71,534. Okay? It's right here. 71,627. And look at this, guys. I'm just seeing this. So I'm still skeptical about this move, but I will say this, right? You guys know that I love secondary and third patterns, right? Look at this. W, right? Target right at the resistance line of the next W, right? We get to this line right here at 71,627. Guys, we are not only blasting through this level, we still need to get through this diagonal level at 72. However, we get through that, we have a reason to come up. We can fake out, yeah, trading, it could be 100%. What I will say is this, Wyzek, nice to see you. We're trading crypto. And I know my chart is messy. It's always gonna be messy. Incorrect trend line usage. OFX or OTX, I've been doing this for a long time. I do it differently than some other people. However, right? That's okay that you do it differently than me. Totally fine. All right? Here we go. To the downside, guys, we're either going to reject off of this level, which we are having a hard time getting to in the first place. Nerdy Man, Maggie Meg, Crypto Critters, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. All right. We roll over here at 69,313, or we roll over here at 71,707. Guys, right? If we do that and we roll over either here or up here, we are creating an M pattern. I know it's a wonky M. It doesn't matter. Nerdy Man, thank you so much for the hanging lights and the garland. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being in here every day. All right, here we go. We roll over here, guys, or here. We are creating a wonky M pattern. Here is one hump of the M. Here is the second hump of the M. Guys, it will still break out the exact same way, okay? Here we go. You measure an M pattern from the top of the M to the bottom of the trend line. You take this to the supposed breakout. It is right here. We break this trend line. Guys, these are the downside targets on Bitcoin, okay? We break this to the downside at 64,781, right? We will break this M pattern, and guess where that M pattern leads you exactly to? With a tariff rejection, I think a dip is expected. Let's see what happens, right? Love the live. FNT, thank you so much for being here. Guys, thank you so much. If you are new, say hi to me in the chat. I would love to say hi to you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do crypto charting every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click on my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Guys, I have a ton of copycats. They are all scammers. And if you don't follow, oh, Feral Candles is here. You just made my morning. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, she is brilliant. Thank you so much. We have so many good people in our community. Happy Saturday, right? I'm Brian, and it's so informative. FNT, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you, right? Guys, if you are new here, say hello to me. If you haven't followed me, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. Guys, they will try to scam you. I have a ton of them. If you look on my name afterwards, you will not be able to find me. There are so many, and they all have my name, my picture, everything. Crypto World, nice to see you. Hi, Kelsey. You're growing a lot in the TikTok space. Love to see it. Thank you so much, Eric. I appreciate you. Here we go. Guys, M pattern, breakdown. If we break this level, 64,855, we will come directly to this next support. Guys, when this happens, we have to heat it, right? We don't have enough volume or power to get through those resistance levels. Guess what happens? We are gonna roll over and come down. I took my first trade based on your live yesterday and made bank. Thank you. Soccer Star, thank you so much for being in here. I'm so happy that you made that win, guys. Give him a W in the chat. We love to celebrate wins here. Guys, right? I'm so glad. Sandra D, Crypto World, thank you so much. Dead Cat Bounce. Yeah, NTS. That's what I'm thinking too. Guys, give him a W in the chat. Have 3 bullish babes trying to follow me. The old guy, I know, right? Feral Candle says sentiment is following yen and euro futures nicely today. Silver, gold, steady. Cling, but nice. Feral, thank you so much for being in here. You are amazing. You're amazing, beautiful, and strong. Thank you for all you do, said Sandra D. Thank you for being in here. Guys, look at all those W's. Let's go. Bastrug, nice to see you. Thank you so much for the heart me. Here we go. We break that line. We are breaking an M pattern. That M pattern brings us right down to the 59,170 level. Guys, if we do not bounce on this wick right here, be careful. We are in danger of dropping that bear flag all the way down to the downside. Solano Cruz is in the house. Nice to see you. Any recommendations on where to learn the basics for free? Yes, there is. Zoe, go to web3hub.help. I'm actually a founder in that website. It is a completely free. There is a paywall when you get to a certain amount, but I think they may be removing that. I'm not sure. Marcus, thank you. You're the best. Thank you for reminding me to drink. It is web3hub.help, guys. Right? It is actually in the link in my bio too. And if you go there, you can watch as many modules as you want for free and learn about blockchain, Web3, crypto, right? It is an educational platform, guys. Web3.help. If you're not into crypto and you want to learn, go there and learn, right? Stu is in the house, guys. All my chicks. Thank you so much for being here, Doc. Definitely one of the best macro informers. Thank you so much, Doc. Exactly. Farrell is that what you're talking about? Afternoon. Nice to see you, Stu. Right? Here we go, guys. If we break this level right here, right at 60,051, Tradeaholics, what's it doing? Tell me what you're seeing, right? Tell me what you're seeing. If I have my assets on crypto.com exchange, is it safe? I would rather you get a cold wallet, right? Guys, cold wallets are something that you store your crypto in off of the exchange just in case the exchange ever goes down. I will say, guys, there are a lot of exchanges that are fairly safe, right? None of them are 100% safe. Okay. I'm going to get a cold wallet now. Yeah, Base. I do have affiliate links in the link in my bio. The ones that I use, and I've used 680 hard stealing, they're rejecting. Tradeaholics, right? Guys, I use an Ellipel and a Ledger. I do have affiliate links in my bio. I believe you do get a discount, and I do get a kickback from that if you want to use one of those. Otherwise, guys, I've heard Arculus, Tangem. There are some other wallets I should get affiliate links for too. But I only do sponsored content for things that I use, so that's why I rep Ledger and Ellipel. I've had those for literally ever. They're rejecting it hard. Oh, they are rejecting it hard. How many accounts do you have? Sorry, guys. If you don't follow me right now from the live. Hank, Stu, Bastru, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. If you have not followed me and you would like to, please follow me right now. I have so many copycats. They will try to scam you. Please, please, please follow me now. This is my only account on TikTok. Guys, also, if you click the link in my bio, I feel like I've said this like a million times, but if you click the link in my bio, you can go and you can follow me on YouTube and on Instagram. Please do it after the live so that it doesn't see you going out and clicking links. If you click the link in my bio, I have a YouTube and an Instagram. That YouTube, I do put these lives up on every single day. So if you miss one, you can go and watch it later. Money Talk is in the house, guys. Give her a follow. She is an unbelievable creator who has a ton of information. Thank you so much for being in here. She's also a mod in here. Let me take a sip. Shashank, Wes, Money Talk, Toppers app. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Right? Do you have discount codes for cold wallets? They are in the link in my bio. If you are looking for a cold wallet, I only have discount codes or affiliate codes for Ledger and for Ellipel. Okay. XRP rejected. Yeah, guys, here we go. We are rejecting. Guys, we are rejecting. And I will say this. We're rejecting, however, we have not broken, guys, I don't know, right? It looks like we're rejecting. However, we do have a little bull flag right here, and we have not broken the SMA or the smooth moving average on the 1 hour, right? Oh, wow, it's Saturday and you're in. Let's go. Hey, Francesca, nice to see you. The assistant, thank you. We're coming back up. Guys, I think that this may be a bull flag on a lower time frame. Let's see. Once we break this line right here, which is my simple moving average, the blue line, purple line is my smooth moving average. Once we break those to the downside on the 1 hour and open a 1 hour candle below those, very, very likely we are actually coming down. But until then, I am going to think that maybe the lower time frames are trying to pop us up, right? More like soft money flow out of the Russell and crypto into S&P and Dow. Silver up. Gold up 6%. Crazy. Pattern nonsense. Thank you, Sven. Love you. Goddess Babe, thank you so much, friend. I appreciate you. Guys, let's go to the lower time frame, and then we'll go to XRP. Sorry, I know I'm spending a lot of time on Bitcoin today. Why? We're creating an M pattern here. See this right here? One hump of the M, second hump of the M. This does look like it wants to break to the downside. Francesca, Remy, thank you so much. Money, thank you. I appreciate you. Right? This looks like it does want to break. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Or the 7-minute. Sorry, that was the 15-minute. Yeah, this does look like it wants to break, guys. What's happening here? We are looking like we're rolling over on not only the 7-minute. Here is an M pattern. First hump of the M, second hump of the M. This is what is going to break us below some of those levels, right? Here we go. Gavstat, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Here we go, right? From the top of the M to the bottom of the trend line, this is going to be your first level of breakout, guys. Let's see if we can hit this target right here, right? We are on the 7 minute. 7 minute looks like it wants to come down to 68 right here. Sorry, 68,308. Chris Donders, thank you. I appreciate you. Here we go. 68,073. We don't bounce. She done for. Guys, Tradeaholics is looking at Tradeaholics. I'm so glad you're in here today, right? Jessica Pennington, thank you. Here we go. We need a bounce or we are coming down. Ledger, what was the other one? Ella Pelbinsky. ELLIPAL. That's actually one of my favorite ones. I do have a link for them. It's actually also in my TikTok shop. I don't even use my TikTok shop, but it's in there. What time frame do you enter trade in? I enter on the 1 hour, though. I enter on the 1 hour. So this is all noise to me until we get to the 1 hour. And that's what I was saying. We get to the 1 hour, guys, and the 1 hour is looking like it is going to break. Guys, it may not, right? Let's see what happens. I do see the 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Guys, we do have a money flip on the 1 hour. This is looking like it wants to come down. If we do open a 1 hour candle below these two lines, very, very likely we are coming down big time. Topper Zap, Jessica, Chris Donders, thank you so much. Says Tradeaholics. Yeah, Tradeaholics. It's looking like it wants to come down. I will say, guys, what's the Hail Mary? The Hail Mary is this, that this right here is a bull flag that's going to come down, tap the moving averages and break out. That is our only saving grace. If it does that, right? We always give you the bullish and the bearish scenario. If it does that, BB, it's Saturday. What a treat. Hey, Mint Farms. Hank, Topper Zap, thank you for the gifts. Big sell wall at 68K. I'm looking at 60K soon. Taps, possibly, right? We have been saying in here that this is just a pop up to bring us back down. We are below the lower trend line of the bear flag. I took the short. Thank you. Rise and shine. Don't take it because of me. Take it because of you, right? Hi, TLP. Nice to see you. Here we go. Bullish case, we pop up here. This is some weird bull flag that's going to bounce off of these simple moving average and the smooth moving average, and we get up here. 68,941. Should pull back now. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to pull back, right? We have a money flip on the 1 hour. RSI 6 is looking like it wants to push through the 24. This looks like it's going to come down, guys. Where will we come down to, right? Where will we come down to? If we come down, our first move is here. This is on the 1 hour, okay? Here we go. First, what happened to my trend line? There it is. Why are we doing that? Weird. There we go. All right, let's grab a trend line. Here we go. Your technicals aren't going to mean shit. Okay. That's cool. I think so as well. Huge bear flag. Just consolidation. Looks like it's trying to shake people out. Taps. Huge bear flag on the daily. Right? We've been discussing this a lot of every single time we pop up. People think we're going. We cannot go unless we get over that bear flag and invalidate it. That is the only way we are going up. Got to reject at high to really dump. You got it. Tradeaholics, I think that we are just rolling over to maybe then pump up again to come up here or come up to that 71K level. Bye. Rude boy. Thank you. I appreciate you. Right? Guys, let's go to XRP so that I actually get, let's go to ETH first. We'll go to ETH really quickly. ETH is looking the same, guys. Okay. Here we go. ETH is looking the same. Guys, see what ETH is in? ETH is in the same thing, right? Why is this doing this? Here we go. I don't know what just happened, guys. Okay, there we go. Guys, ETH is in the same pattern. Looking at 72, so lower first and favorite coins. I don't know if we're going lower first. Right now, we're looking like we're coming lower. However, I have a feeling that they're going to play around with us, guys, right? I have a feeling that they're going to play around with us. Setting up for Sunday open. Those upside wicks will grow. Guys, Farrell is telling you the same thing that I just said, which is I think they're going to play with us to the upside, right? We are on a weekend, which is why I'm not trading right now. I don't trade weekends, especially after volatile weeks, right? That is not what I'm doing, right? And so right now, hugs, huge sell wall and large amounts of liquidity from 68 to 72. There we go. Right? That they've been playing with us for a while. Meggy Megs, yes, they have. You trade on BitUnext over the weekend. No, I'm not trading over the weekend. I'm not trading this weekend. Do I trade any weekend? Sometimes. Do I like to trade over the weekend? No. That's not where I make the most of my money. right? My trades, I am more likely, I am more likely, and you are more likely to get stopped out over the weekends. Guys, I like to take clear trades where I have a better chance of winning than losing. That is not usually on the weekends, right? Here we go. ETH is in the same position, guys. We're getting a money flip to the downside on the 1 hour. Where are we going to come to if we do roll over? Guys, here we go, right? Here's ETH. Little bit of 50 cent for you this morning. Here we go. We roll over here. Where are we going to come to? Most likely we're going to come to this diagonal support line right here, guys. Okay? This is your next level of support right here at 1951. Okay? We get to 1951 and we bleed this level at 1951 and we open candles decisively under this diagonal trend line right here. More than likely you are breaking out of this M pattern to the downside. I'm going to give you the upside too, but here is the first levels, right? You measure an M pattern from the top of the M to the bottom of the trend line, and you drag this to the supposed breakout. I trade weekends because I'm not working and can pay attention. Nerdy man, everyone has their own thing, right? I love that you trade weekends. I wish if I had if I could sit down and pay attention to trades, I probably would trade weekends, but I can't, right? The kids are running around. It's weekend time. But nerdy man, I love that you do that, right? I love that you do that. And guys, weekends can be volatile. You can pick up money on weekends. You just have to be paying attention. What do you think the crypto market structure bill will do to the crypto, bullish or bearish? I don't know. It could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal, right? A lot of people think that that's going to do something huge for crypto, and in the long run, I think it's going to. Do I think it's going to create a rocket pump? No, I don't. Right? And if it does, it's going to be like a one-day thing, is in my opinion, right? Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a bonus stream on a Saturday. If you guys have not followed me and you would like to, please do. Click my photo, follow me directly from the live, hit that bell for notifications, and get notified every single time I go live. Thank you to my community. You guys are the absolute best. Fire and Ice, It's J Ravi, Meggie Megs, thank you so much for the gifts. Guys, we have the best community, right? Thank you so much for building this team with me. Right? You guys have done this. I have not necessarily done this. I'm just the person that's in front of the camera. But you guys have shared me out. You guys have pressed that like button every single stream. You are here every single day. Thank you so much. I am humbled by you every single day. Thank you so much for all you guys do. Okay? Let's go. Guys, I do have my community open. It is on School. It is in the link in my bio. If you click the link in my bio, I have my School link. I have my BitUnex link. Guys, if you're looking to trade on an exchange and you don't have one yet, or you would like a secondary one, BitUnex is my primary exchange. We do have a campaign going on. You do get 20% back in a deposit bonus over $100, right? My referral code is Bullish Babe. If you go to BitUnex, BITUNIX, and you put in Bullish Babe, that will give you the bonus. All right. She's the vehicle, the message. LOL. Thank you so much. That is all it is. Right. I learned. So there's that great line from Denzel Washington that says like each one teach one. I know Mooney uses it in his streams. And that, when you learn something, you should reach behind you and pull someone up with you. That's all I'm trying to do here, guys. Right. I do have my community out. It is $99 a month. However, I'm providing value in there. I will be in there every single day doing a stream after my stream on TikTok. I am also going to provide a Saturday stream, a digital starter kit, mini sessions and mini lessons, and extra time going back and forth with me. I will not be chained to it, guys, though. I will say this. I'm going to have scheduled times in there. I will not be in there chatting all the time, although you guys can, right? That is not going to be the main focus. Guys, what I want to provide is value, right? What I want to provide is value. I don't just want to provide a signals group. I don't want to provide copy trading. I want you guys to learn what I am doing every single day, right? And then learn my strategy and then develop your own strategy, okay? Thank you guys so much. That is in the link in my bio if you guys want to visit there. Is there a recommended crypto prop firm? Guys, we're going to talk a little bit about prop firms on Monday in here. I have passed evaluations on prop firms. However, I will say at the end of the day, sounds like a plan. Thank you so much. Check the pinned post and then check out the bio. Said Eric Watson. He is a mod in there, guys. What I will say about prop firms is this, and I'm going to have somebody come up and talk about prop firms who actually uses them. A lot of people like the idea of prop firms. A prop firm is where you get to trade somebody else's money, a firm's money. You have to pass an evaluation to do that. And a lot of these prop firms are a money grab, right? Is KISS Beginner 1-on-1 for trading? The beginner course is actually today. I am going to sell a recorded version of that course. I'm only doing one live. It actually is today. We've already started that session. It is for crypto and trading in general. So charts and trading in general. And it is a beginner course. If you do want to get into the beginner course, yeah, it is on TradingView. You can join that course. We are doing it today at 12 o'clock. If you want to join that course, you did miss the first one, so you will get a recorded version of the first one. I can use that for options. Yeah, you can, Ed. Yep. Shit's getting real. They have power. Yeah. Guys, here we go. We bleed this level to the downside right here at 1951. We're coming here on ETH. 1911. Okay. Just buy the Bullish Babe ETF. There is no Bullish Babe ETF. There is no Bullish Babe ETF. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. This is the next support on ETH, guys, 1949, right? If we bleed that level, 1911 is the next level on ETH. Now, the levels to the upside are this, right? We actually need to stay and hold this level right here. Why? Guys, look at this is a trend line right here. Right? We're sitting on it right now. If we bleed 1980, we were most likely coming down to that diagonal. 074 goes straight through, definitely done. Uh-oh. Guys, uh-oh. Right? Here we go. Ooh, they are really driving crypto today. Peeps, ICP outlier. There we go. Guys, I would take a look at it, but I literally only have like 10 minutes. So what we're going to do, ETH to the upside, guys, we are looking to break this resistance level at 2045. We break this level to the upside. I will think we're coming here at this next level of resistance right here at 2064. Steph, Meggy Megs, J Rabby, thank you so much. Right? Feral Candle says, are you live trading right now? No, I'm not, Ed. In the trading part of my school, I will be doing some live trading, but not a ton. Right, guys? We will be doing live trading, right? So that you can see where to put stop losses and take profits, and we will work together in there, but it won't be just live trading all the time. Okay. It's a great day. Yes, it is, Steph. Right? There's your targets on ETH, guys. I will say stochastics on the hour looking dangerous, right? Matt Lynch, thank you so much for the heart me, right? Looking dangerous, right? RSI 6 pushing through the 12 and the 24. We just talked about this. When this happens and you have an M pattern up here, Stokes are looking down, RSI is looking down, 6 is looking to push through the 12 and the 24. Usually when you get a big move, Tradeaholics is saying 66, 435, next stop. There we go, right? Shooting through. There we go. Tradeaholics, thank you so much for joining me today. Feral Candles, thank you so much for being in here. My mods, thank you so much for being in here. Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, Josh's Journey. Thank you so much. Right? Let's go to XRP. Thank you for your time, BB. Thank you so much for being in here, Fire and Ice. I appreciate you. Guys, let's go to XRP. Let's see what XRP is doing. We love XRP in here, right? Here we go. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. If you don't follow me and you would like to, or you'd like to learn about crypto, guys, if you want to learn about crypto, go to web3hub.help. It is a free educational platform. You can learn about crypto, blockchain, crypto blockchain. What's the other one? Web3. Guys, you can learn about all of those things. They have a ton of modules that you can watch and learn from. Go there. It is in the link in my bio. Okay? Take all that without a squirrel, B-Dogs, right? Here we go. Guys, go to the link in my bio. Click on Web3 Hub. I also have my links in there, YouTube, Instagram. The link for my community is in there. My BitUnex link is also in there, guys. There we go. Stefan says, yeah. Nice to see you, Stefan. I'm so glad you're here, right? Here we go. Let's go to XRP. What are we looking at, guys? This is what we're looking at, okay? Here's this diagonal trend line. We're going to extend this out. There we go. All right, guys, here we go. XRP. to the screen. Send those daily heart me's. Thank you so much. She does this every day for free. Rude Boy, thank you so much. So do you. Rihanna, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. 198 people in the live on a Saturday. That is awesome. 98K likes. Thank you so much for tapping your screen. First drink of it. Marcus, thank you. I appreciate you. Toppers app, thank you so much. I had time to go outside and remove the snow, LOL. I knew I would miss it today. No, you won't miss it. It's right here, right? You won't miss it today because I talk so long, Stefan, right? I talk so long. I'm glad you're here. All right, here we go, guys. XRP. Lady long term, thank you, right? XRP is looking the exact same. Guys, we have got to hold on to this, and this has got to be a little bull flag or else we are rolling over. And where are we most likely coming to? We're most likely coming here, right? Christopher, thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for the gifts, right? Lucky me, Stefan. There we go. I'm so glad you're here. Lucky me. He's like, lucky me that I talk so long, right? And it takes me so long to get through Bitcoin. Here we go, guys. I will say, I don't know. Guys, look at what's happening on XRP, okay? We are either going to do one of two things, right? On a roll, under pressure. There we go. Guys, we're going to do either one of two things. We are either going to break out of this bull flag right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We are sitting right on the moving averages. If we break right here, if we break the 50 right here and we open a 15-minute candle under the 50, and then we open a 1-hour candle under the 50. I didn't say that, but you know yourself. Yeah, exactly, right? I know my weaknesses for sure. If we build a 1-hour candle under the 50, and we break this, and we continue to break them on the higher time frames, very, very likely we're coming down. However, what do I see here, guys? I'm seeing a little bit of a flip. Let's see if the 7-minute can push us up. We can push out of this bull flag. Okay, here are the two options for XRP, guys. All right, we're gonna go to let me go to the 5-minute. Let me see if we have any power in this bull flag at all. We don't. It doesn't look like we do, guys. It looks like this is coming down. Yeah, this is coming down. Guys, we're still gonna leave the bull flag up there because we always give you the bullish and the bearish scenarios. However, right? However, all the coins doing a high the afternoon together, all at the same time candles. There we go. It's sitting yesterday high. It's about to make a choice. Better reject here, right? Better reject here, said Tradeaholics. Guys, here's the upside to the down and the downside on XRP. All right, here we go. We either break up in this bull flag to 147.27, or we are rolling back down. And if we roll back under the 50% level in the channel, which is here, and we roll under and open a 1-hour candle, not just under the smooth and simple and the 20, but under the 50. If we come down here and open a candle or open a candle here and continue to move down, very, very likely we're going to come down to here at 138.58. Okay. That's what this looks like right now. The 1 hour is heavily pointed down. RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24. Very, very good chance that this bull flag is not going to break out and that we are going to roll over. However, guys, I will say this, right? So here's your level to the downside. We know it as 138.58. Okay? I'm going to give you an outlier ultra bull case though, because I see it. And I want you guys to be aware of it, right? If we come down to 138.58, where are we going next, guys? Very, very likely we're coming here to 132.49. That is the breakdown. Are we in a bear or bull market? To me, we've been in a bear market for a really long time, Harmony. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do crypto charts every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for hanging out with me on a Saturday. This is a bonus stream. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't followed me and you would like to, please click my photo. Follow me directly from the live right now and click the bell for notifications. Otherwise, you guys will get copycats. Thank you so much for being in here. Paso, nice to see you. Toppers app, Christopher, Lady, thank you so much. All right. If we break that level, we're most likely coming down to 132.41. That would start our descent down to the bottom of the channel again, guys. Right? We're going to hit this level right here. Here's your next level, 125.52. Next level of resistance is around here at 118. And then we're at the bottom of the channel at 116. Okay. 074 right here, said Tradeaholics. Bear flags on a Saturday. You got it. Then it would be a full liquidity cycle today, said Marcus. Right? BTC when touched 71 and 73 and Whipple deep down, right? Possibly. I don't know where it's going. We work in levels here, guys, right? And right now it looks like we're coming down for the immediate. However, I do see a bull case here, guys, right? For XRP, and it is this, right? I just gave you the bear case. Searching, Paso, thank you so much. I just gave you the bear case. Here is the bull case. That this right here is some kind of a shallow cup and handle, right? Here is the cup. This would be the handle. If we shoot up from here, and guys, I'm just gonna say it right now. What I will say is this is holding this level until we drop the SMA and the smooth moving average on the hourly. I will think that this could be a possibility. That this is a cup. This is a handle. We have a bull flag at the end of the cup and handle that could break us up and over this resistance. Guys, if it does this, right? And we hold on and we flip on the lower time frames, could it do this? Yes, it could, right? You measure a cup and handle from the top of the cup on the trend line to the bottom of the cup. You bring this to the supposed breakout. Guys, if we break out of this trend line, here are your levels to the upside. 146.39. If we break out of that level, this was a shallow cup and this was a cup and handle with a shallow handle that is breaking up. Where is that going to lead you? Going to lead you right here, 153.79. Okay, might be fine to people getting scared. I don't know, Tradeaholics, right? I don't know. Let's see if it holds on to that level, right? If it holds on, those lower time frames start to pull up, right? This could be a move. 153.90 for XRP. Let's see what this does, guys. Let's go to the lower time frames and see what it's doing. Thank you for the follows, guys. I appreciate you. Let's check the 7-minute and the 5-minute. Look, we are curving. Could this be a cup and handle? It could be. We need to stay above the simple and the smooth on the 1 hour and not open a 1 hour candle below it, guys. Right? Didn't tap 074 and losing steam. Let's see, Tradeaholics. Greedy. Let's see what happens. Right? Let's see what happens. Marcus, thank you for telling me to drink. You're so nice. Here we go, guys. Right? Look at the Stokes. Look at the RSI. Are we trying to pop up here? Let's take a look at the 1 minute. I don't usually do this, but I'm going to right now. Guys, look at the 1 minute. If the 1 minute starts to move, we have a money flip on the 1 minute. Do we? Yeah, we do. We have a money flip on the 1 minute, guys. We also have the RSI. If this does this, it would be crazy, right? We also have the RSI 6 looking like it wants to push through the 12 and the 24 on the 1 minute. You guys, this is the bull flag right here. This is the end of the bull flag. If this taps up and pushes up on the 1 minute and then the 3 minute and then the 7 minute, what did crypto market do this time last year? Roll Tide. I don't know. I'm not looking at that right now. Gwen, day trading mama, thank you so much for being in here. Thank you for sharing the live. Guys, look at what this is trying to do. 3 minute is trying to pick up as well. RSI is pointed up and so are the Stokes. Can we get a push here? Right? I don't know those higher time frames. I only look at the 1 minute and 1 hour for levels, Tradeaholic. There we go. So bullish, I don't know, guys, right? If this pushes up and gets above the simple moving average and the smooth moving average on the 1 minute and then does it on the 3 minute and then does it on the 5 minute and the 7 minute, I will think we have a chance that this is actually that cup and handle, which is crazy, right? Let's see what it does. It needs to hold that level on the 1 hour. Doesn't hold that level on the 1 hour. They are defending 074 Tradeaholics, are they? Let's take it, right? Joe, searching, Paso, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. Guys, if they defend this, God, I just bet. If they defend this, right? And we start moving up in straight green candles. This was a cup and handle that we found on the higher time frame that the lower time frames are confirming. See how we do that, guys, right? And it may roll over right now. I'm a time frame polygamist. I look at them all exactly, nerdy man. So do I, right? So do I. See how we do this? We went from the top time frames to the mid time frames to the lower time frames, and we're seeing somewhat of a reversal on the lower time frames. Can that hold on the mid and the higher time frames? That is the question, right? Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Guys, so you know the levels to the upside. Here are the levels to the upside. 146.44, we break that level to the upside. We're going to 153.91. That is the target of this cup and handle. Okay? That is the target of this cup and handle. If we break this cup and handle to the upside, it'll be a miracle, right? It'll be a miracle. And it will be great that we saw it, right? I feel like I should know this, but I don't. What did he mean by 074? He is looking at levels right now. Nita. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you for the Saturday stream. OHM, nice to see you. Feral Candles, downside hook. Yen and Euro futures supports upside move. It's little, but it's a bunch of currencies. Guys, here we go. Right? Is this cup and handle going to break out? How crazy would that be? Fefe, nice to see you. Flo, nice to see you. Right? Tradeaholics, can you let them know what you're saying when you say 074? Can you explain that? I'm saying levels, but you can probably explain it better as to what you're actually looking at. Guys, if this breaks out and breaks this, here we go. We're going to come to here at 153.91. What are our next levels to the upside so that we know, guys, is this the move to move us up to resistance? And then I missed what the cup and handle is. It is right here. Okay? The cup and handle is right here. We're going to go to the 1 hour and we're going to see what that's doing. Guys, the cup and handle is right here. Here's the cup. This would be the handle right here. If we start to move our way up and break 146, right? 146.48, we will move up or try to move up to this target at 153.55. I saw you yesterday at Alvarez's live. Yeah, I love Alvarez. By the way, guys, if you don't follow him, he got his account taken away. And so he has a new account, but I'm going to do a live with him. I love that guy. I think he's great. You know why? He talks about macro in very matter-of-fact circumstances, right? He talks about politics and how they relate to crypto in a very objective circumstance, right? Are we on a breakout? I don't know. We have to see if we can break this. If we can't break this level, guys, and we come up here and roll over, this is the end of this move, right? Does XRP collaborate with BTC? No. 11:30, babe. Yeah, I got to go, guys. Okay, here's your levels to the upside. 153.68. Next level to the upside, 156.90. Next level to the upside, 157.77. Guys, if this cup and handle breaks out while I'm off, let me know. Algos might be turning on. Uh-oh. There we go, Tradeaholics. Right? Let's see what's going. He is amazing. Yes, he is. Really enjoy him. Right? If we make it up and over this level, right here, guys, 158.62. We could break to the upside to the top of the channel at 175. Right? Here we go. No, don't go. I feel so confident when I'm listening. Thank you so much, Mike. I appreciate you. Any tips for beginners? My tip for beginner in crypto is go to web3hub.help. That will teach you about crypto. It is free. It will show you crypto, Web3, blockchain. You can watch videos on there. Thank you so much, Phil. Felicia, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here, right? That will teach you about crypto and learning. And that will show you about the exchanges. I also have a class. It is in the link in my bio, but I would start off there, right? And then do as much research as possible. I've been asking others. They don't respond. Oh, Felicia, I'll always respond. Thank you so much for being in here. That is in my bio. Yes, it is. Guys, I have click the link in my bio. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. I also have classes, affiliate links, my BitUnext link. Go in and comb through the link in my bio, guys. All right, 175.14. That is your next level to the upside. Guys, let's see if we can hold this. What I will say, guys, what invalidates this is what is happening right now, right? What is happening right now? We are breaking the simple and the smooth moving average to the downside. Now, could this still be a cup and handle and we come down here and bounce off of this 50? Yes, it could, so watch that move. If this is a cup and handle and we come down here, very, very good chance that this could be the actual handle that comes up, okay? TikTok channel where I say I'm gonna do everybody does the opposite so I can get money. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's go here. BTC. Let's just give you the levels. I'm gonna give you the levels really quick, guys. Okay, here they are, and then I gotta jump out for the day. Come down to 138.58, hard pressured. Okay. 138.58 is that next support level for XRP. Here we go, guys. My videos, I did want to say this. I do an update video on XRP and BTC every single night. My videos have gotten shadow banned. So if you're not seeing them, that is why. I may have to figure out another way to do my my updates at night. For some reason, they are getting shadow banned. My Bitcoin one had 5 views last night. So I may, how much should I put in when I first start? Felicia, you can put in $5, right? You can start with a low amount of money. And then build your confidence, build your education, and then get in a little bit at a time, okay? Here's your levels to the upside and the downside. Guys, first level to the upside, 69,615. Second level to the upside on Bitcoin, 71,551. Third level is the bottom of this bear flag, 72,229. We break that level, we've got a target 76,005, and then to the top of this channel, 78,522. This is your most important level as of right now. We break this level and go to around 79 and keep on going. I will believe that we've invalidated this bear flag. They know what we know what's up. There we go, Pharaoh. There we go, Pharaoh. They're always playing with us. There's always something, right? Pharaoh, I'm so glad you were in here today. Do they have an app for the iPhone? Yeah, they do. It's what we're working on right now is TradingView. But if you're looking for an exchange to buy on, the easiest exchanges to buy on in the US are Coinbase, Kraken, probably. If you're in the US, if you're not in the US, you can buy on Bitunix. It's the exchange that I rep. The link is in my bio. You can buy and sell on there as well. Here's the levels to the downside, guys. First level to the downside is here, 67,292. Right, we've got some support there. Here we go. So Uphold has had some problems. So especially with XRP. So if you're gonna buy XRP, I know they've had some problems with XRP, so be careful. I don't use Uphold. I only use KrakenCrypto.com and Coinbase in the US. 64,871 is your main level of support, your first level of support to the downside. They're really defending it. Tradeaholics, could we get that pump? Let's see what happens here, Farrell, right? Here we go. Bleed this to the downside, 64,678. Here we go. Next level to the downside, 59,450. Guys, we don't bounce at 59,450. We have broken down that bear flag to the downside, and this is our target at 41,239. Okay? I'm not saying we're going straight there. Guys, we never go straight to a big target. All right, we're gonna bear flag, we're gonna pop around, we're gonna pop up. We'll probably bearishly retest this line again. Guys, the price action likes to retest levels 70% of the time. So if you think we're going straight down in a line, we are not, right? We are not. Guys, those are your levels to the upside and the downside. I will say, right? The 4 hour is now looking dangerous. However, look at what they're doing, right? However, they are trying to curve the Stokes up to the upside. If they do that and they are successful, futures are supporting it. Pharaoh, are we going to get that pop? We might get that pop, guys, right? And that cup and handle may break out. Let's see what happens here. Farrell, Tradeaholics, thank you for working with me through this. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being in here. Guys, thank you to my community. You guys are killer. Thank you so much for being in here, for supporting me every single day. I appreciate you guys. I'm Chelsea. There I am. I'm bigger now, right? I am the Bullish Babe. I do this every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. A couple of things before you leave, right? I'm going to say my links a couple more times. Guys, I've just opened my community. The community is a paid community. It is on School. It is $99 a month or $199 depending on which tier you want. What I will say is this, it is unlike a lot of the communities that are out there. This is going to be a community where we learn, right? We're not joking around in there. We're not throwing crazy stuff around like you can, right? It is about community, and we are going to be talking back and forth, and there is a place for you to chat. However, this is about us growing as a community in crypto, in trading. I will, what you get for that $99 a month is this. I will be doing an extra stream in there, my Saturday stream. I will be doing one every Saturday unless I'm on vacation, right? Guys, I do have kids. I do have a life. So there will be circumstances where I'm not going to be doing it in there. However, I am committed to building this community. Thank you so much. Just like I was committed here, guys. I am here every single day, right? No fail. Yen and Euro are in a chop channel that's about to break to the downside, so becoming more probable. Guys, is that cup and handle going to break out? Sounds like it might. Farrell, thank you. Right? I am committed to building this community. If you guys join, it is not 100% guaranteed, but I will say what you will learn in there in the first month could make that money back for you in a month, right? We have had people in here who have earned that plus, right? Just being in here in these lives. I will be doing a Saturday stream. Are you going on vacation cruise with the handler? No, not yet. I wish I was, right? I wish I was. I'm building here, guys, right? I'm in steady like focus mode right now. We build during the bear market, right? Thank you. You spotted it first. I just confirmed where it was coming from. Feral Candles. Yes. I wish I could stay on here and see that cup and handle breakout, right? I wish I could see that cup and handle. Guys, watch your trades. Use a stop loss. Okay. So as far as the community goes, value is I'm going to be doing a Saturday stream every Saturday. Other value, I'm going to be in there after every single weekday stream for a question and answer session every single day. I'm also going to give mini sessions. So I will be doing mini sessions that are recorded that you can go back to. So there will be a learning library in there. I'm also going to give some trade setups. If you are entering the trading part of that, I will be live trading with you guys. And I will be showing you what my trade setups are. We're going to do a couple of live trading sessions a month that are longer so that you guys can learn how to do that. And that is where it is. You got Snowmorn to build. Keep your stop losses tight and watch Yen and Euro. You got it. Guys, there we go. The assistant just put it up there. Okay. Also, I'm sponsored by BitUnex. They are a great platform. I've been trading there for 2 years. If you guys want to join BitUnex, you get a 20% bonus for deposit on $100 or more. So if you put $100 in there, you get $20 back to trade. That is only on leverage trading, guys. Enter my referral code. If you're looking for a non-KYC exchange to join, you can use this in the US. You just have to transfer crypto from one exchange to the next. Okay. There we go, guys. Thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you guys. I am out for the day. I have a class. One of your clones just followed me and has double the amount of followers. Guys, some of them have like 50% more followers, right? It's crazy. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. You know I love my mods. Rude Boy, Money Talk, Assistant, Shauna, Sarah, Jay, Cosmic Crypto, Josh's Journey. Thank you so much for being my mods in here. Guys, thank you for being part of my community and supporting me every single day. You guys do it. I am humbled by you guys every single day. Thank you so much for the support. Much love to all of you. They love me. I delete them every day. Have an amazing day, and thank you for your time and info as usual. Thank you, Solano. Guys, thank you so much for all the gifts. Live in gratitude. Do something good for somebody else today, right? It raises everything in our life, right? It enriches us. It enriches them. You never know what small thing will be a big thing to somebody else. Let's change our world a little bit at a time. That is how we start doing it. Do something good for somebody else today. Live in gratitude. I will see you guys on Monday. Click the link in my bio. Join school. Click on BitUnex, and I will see you guys on Monday. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys.